Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a quick easy eyeliner tutorial. This is to show you guys how I do my eyeliner, and this is also for hooded eyes, so kindly keep on watching if you're interested. Okay, so you can use any eyeliner you have, either liquid or gel, but if you are a beginner to eyeliner, I would recommend you using a felt tip or pen liner or a gel liner because it's easier to work with those. But if you use the brush tip ones like this and you're new to eyeliner, it's difficult because you won't be able to have enough control over the product. So I'm going to use a gel eyeliner, and this is the England gel liner in 77, and I'm going to use it with this flat angled brush. If you're using a gel liner, make sure the brush you are using as flat as possible to help you draw precise lines. So this is how it looks like. This is a new product. I haven't used it before, that's why it looks fresh and neat. But I'm going to pick up some of the products with the angled brush and put it on the back of my hands just to reduce the amount of product on the brush. And you can see I'm turning the brush from side to side to pick up the product. That way I won't mess up the flatness of the brush. So in order to know where you need to wing out your eyeliner, you just imagine your waterline was extended, okay, and just draw the line from the end of your waterline, extending it upwards. In a normal way, if your waterline was extended, it will be. So you just draw a thin line upwards. And I'm closing my eyes as well to create just a thin line on my lash line. It's better to look down when doing this than keeping your eyes open. So you can just draw a thin line and gradually build it up, okay? It shouldn't be too big that will exceed the folded part, because you still have to see the line even when your eyes are open. So you just take your time and slowly draw the line. And if you have curly lashes as well, just push it down with the brush before you go in to apply the gel liner. That way it won't interfere with you when you're trying to draw the line. So you just push it down and then you just draw the line, push it down and draw the line. So when you open up your eyes, the folded part of your lid is the most hooded part, and you need your wing to be down from there, not in the hood, or else if your eyes are open, you won't be able to see the wing. So still looking down with my eyebrows raised a bit, I'm going to draw a thin line from the wing to the lash line. But as you guys can see, I'm not starting from the tip of the wing, but I'm starting from the middle part. That way I don't take too much product to the tip of the wing because we want that to be as tiny as possible. So I'm slowly filling up the spaces on the lash line as well where there are no products. So now I'm going to extend the wing to how I want it to be, but as you guys can see, I'm not going heavy-handed, I'm just going light-handed and using light strokes as well, just to build up the wing to how I want it to be. So this is how it's looking like, and you guys can see, you can still see the wing even when my eyes are open. That's why you need to apply it as thin as possible if you have hooded eyes, okay? So I'm going to do the other eye, but I'm going to draw the wing a little thicker and in the hood as well, so that you guys will see the difference and tell for yourself which one is perfect for hooded eyes. So I went ahead to apply the gel liner to my waterline as well to tie in with the wing. So this is how we're looking like, and you can tell the difference on both eyes. One, you can tell that when you open your eyes you can still see your wing. The other, it's so thick and it's in the hood, so you guys can see which one is perfect for hooded eyes. So when you have hooded eyes, you need to do your liner as thin as possible. I'm going ahead to finish up the eyes with the mascara to add a little bit of volume to my lashes, and you can go ahead and put on your lashes if you want. You can put on some falsies, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to apply my mascara and call it a day. And yeah guys, that is the end of today's video. Kindly let me know in the comments section if this was helpful. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and kindly subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell as well so that you get notified every time I upload, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.